I'm dipping in my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LS 254. And you tune in for another one. Y'all know we had exhaust leak at the Manifolds. You know, you can hear it when you crank it up. Actually, if you look down there, you probably can't see it, but I can see where it's not as tight as it need to be. So we're just gonna go back off in there, you know, tighten everything up and then make sure it's tight the way it's supposed to be. That way we don't have that exhaust manifold leak. And then from there, man, crank it back up, make sure it's straight. So be right back. Alright, so what we got here? And we got everything tightened up. If you're curious, I replaced those exhaust bolts. They are gonna be a 13 millimeter. I got them tightened up, so now we shouldn't hear that little tapping, rapping sound. See what we got.
I still hear it a little bit on this side. Yeah, it's still coming a little bit from that side.
So go ahead and shut it off before it get warm or too warm. That way we can go ahead and knock it out right quick. Alright, we back now. Actually, it's a correction on that bolt size. It's a 14 millimeter, not 13. I almost messed around and stripped one of the damn bolts. So I definitely want to tell y'all that correct information. And I figured that out on this side. Went ahead and tightened everything back up. Double checked it on this side as well. So now, should be good to go. Got.
Alright, as you can hear, there's no exhaust manifold leak. We tightened up, torqued up, ready to go. Sound like one of them pulleys is making a little noise. So she running, not missing a beat. And that's it for this one. Tune in next time. Ain't no telling what's going down. It's your boy LS 254, aka JDS better than the rest. Identify your weakness and make them your strengths. Gone.